Find or read reviews that people are talking about SkyEcho Autofocus, mini projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Built-in 270 degrees rotating stand. The SkyEcho Free 1 features an innovative 270 degrees ultra-smooth rotating stand, allowing effortless projection adjustment to any angle, even onto the ceiling, for a diverse viewing experience. Combined with its 1080p, 4K supported and 350 ANSI lumens brightness, the Free 1 delivers stunning visual quality, supporting 1080p and 4K decoding to bring every detail to life. High-Fidelity Sound. Equipped with 2x5 watts high-fidelity surround sound speakers, finely tuned to place you at the center of your personal concert hall, offering rich audio texture. From the deep roar of explosions to the subtle nuances of symphonies, the Free 1 entertainment system beautifully recreates every sound, hiding layers of detail behind each note. Smart Projector. The Free 1 embeds an Android OS, direct enjoyment of various movies and series from the projector itself, eliminating the need for external devices. Thanks to its exceptional compatibility, projecting from phones, laptops, PCs, TV sticks, gaming consoles, or Switch is effortlessly managed. Autofocus and keystone correction. Featuring 3-second autofocus and 2-second automatic vertical keystone correction, the Free 1 ensures a clear, balanced image no matter where it's projected. Enjoy the ultimate viewing pleasure with instant startup, free from complicated setups. Portable and versatile. With the included EVA carrying case, transporting your portable mini projector becomes both easy and stylish. Leveraging the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 technology, it assures stable and fast connectivity wherever you are. Perfect for outdoor camping or family gatherings, the Free 1 is your ideal entertainment companion. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button, share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.